from the feeding end to the discharging end. Each grinding section of the ball mill has different requirements for the grinding trajectory and activation of the material and the grinding media. Therefore, it must not remain unchanged. So, it should be changed at this moment. So, our new concept grinding process has been put forward. Okay? So, please pay much attention to our boatless ball mill lining technology in cement and mining industry. The mill liners in the single chamber mills are often designed to consist of 5 or 6 types. In the industrial test of a cement mill with a diameter of 3.8 meters and 13 meters long, the single chamber mill installed with combined self-fixing boatless liners has been successfully operated for 7 years so far. Compared with the traditional mills, the output has increased by 20%, and the power consumption per ton is only about 25 kWh. More importantly, the service life of wear-resistant materials has been increased by more than 50%. Okay, in the cement mill with a diameter of 4.2 meters in diameter and 13.5 meters long, the output per hour is as high as 290 tons for grade 42.5 cement. The electricity consumption per ton is about 24 kWh. Also, let's move to the section 6. Now we will talk about the gradation of the grinding boards. In the roller press combined grinding process system, the crushing function of the ball mills is no longer needed. The new concept believes that gradation is a stadium theory. The so-called gradation lacks a solid theoretical basis and effectively practical proof. In the long-term operation of the ball mills, the gradation is impossible to achieve. The larger the ball grading difference, the more chaotic in longer running time. The new concept believes that only a uniform ball diameter has the greatest grinding ability, because a uniform ball diameter has the largest contact area with the material. The larger the difference of the grading ball diameter, the more the grade. Then the smaller the contact area between the balls and the material, the worse the grinding ability will be. In all our cement mill industrial experiments, uniform diameter balls are adopted, regardless of particle shape, particle structure. The cement output and the power consumption, good results has been achieved. Okay, in section 7, we will talk about the choice of lining, mill liners, and grinding balls. Actually, the suitable material selection for our mill liners and grinding balls. The new concept believes that the best wear-resistant materials must be selected, and both the liner and the grinding ball should maintain the best designed surface profile for a long time in the mill operation. Excellent wear-resistant materials are the technological basis for improving efficiency and energy saving. Excellent wear-resistant materials not only extend the life of working parts, reduce maintenance, and increase operating life. More importantly, excellent wear-resistant materials can maintain the design shape of working parts for a long time. The shape supports the ball mill to achieve the best operating efficiency and produce the highest quality products with the lowest power consumption. Both the liners and the grinding balls should choose the best wear-resistant materials, which can achieve the most cost-effective operating level. There is no severe and shield relationship between the mill liners and the grinding balls, as there are raw materials lying between them. Okay, so taking the dry grinding process represented by the cement industry as an example, the preferred material for liner grinding balls is undoubtedly high chromium cast iron. However, how shall we choose among the various high chromium cast iron materials in the current market? We recommend 3 principles for choosing high chromium cast iron grinding balls. Firstly, carbon content of cast balls should be more than 3%. Secondly, chromium content should be above 15%. Thirdly, the hardness is more than HRC 60. Also, the new concept believes that only the highest quality, wear-resistant materials can create the highest performance cost ratio, complete the heavy task of increasing efficiency and reducing consumption in process design, and meet the requirements of large-scale industrial production for grinding equipment. We do not approve of the current popular chromium 8, chromium 10, chromium 11 grinding balls and liners on the market. The design concept of this material is only limited to the yield to the market. There is no scientific rationality. Please note that the high chromium cast iron invented by the Germans in 1946 is 15% chromium and 3% moly. The wear-resistant sleeves we developed for staying heavy industry, 3.7% carbon, 26% chromium, 1.8% moly, 1.2% nickel, 0.6% copper in the comparative test conducted by staying heavy industry. The wear resistance of the wear-resistant sleeves we produced was increased by 37% in comparison of the world-famous German elephant, which helped staying heavy industry to occupy the international market share. Simplified chemical composition design not only fails to produce excellent wear-resistant materials and also cannot promote reduction, but also seriously wastes limited human resources. As you know, our country's iron ore resources are very poor. And iron ore with about 7% iron content is used for crushing and grinding and beneficiation. We must save every kilogram of iron. Okay, For the material selection of grinding balls in mine weight grinding process, we strongly recommend new low chromium cast iron grinding balls. Aiming at the energy saving and consumption reduction of mines, we have developed a new type of low chromium cast iron balls. Yes, the chromium is 2%. It's about 2% chromium. And successfully increase the hardness of low chromium cast iron grinding balls to about HRC 55. Yes, the hardness of our low chromium cast balls, yes, is more than HRC 55. The impact value is more than 10 G. So such kind of low chromium cast iron balls has a very good operation in mining ball mills. So the combination of high quality grinding balls and ceramic liners can effectively reduce chromium pollution. The pollution of hexavalent chromium to the environment is irreversible, and billions of tons of cement and various lengths pollute the environment every year. The consequences are very severe. So we should do something to improve the situation. Okay? So in the new concept of ball mill system engineering, whether it is cement or mines, whether it is dry or wet grinding process, we do not hesitate to recommend ceramic liners. Okay, so from this photo, you can see this is our ceramic boltless mill liners in application. And this is a ceramic mill liners, but this one is a high chrome white iron mill liners. This one also high chrome cast iron liners. So far, the ceramic ball mill liners has been successfully operated in 33.8 meters in diameter and 30 meters long cement mill for more than 60 months. Even though the ceramic liners are mixed with high chromium cast iron liners, it is safe, reliable, and impeccable under the premise that the operating environment is not conducive to the ceramic liners. In theory, the wear resistance of ceramic liners is more than 3 times that of 15% chromium cast iron liners, while the weight is only 0.46 times that of cast iron. The application of ceramic liner will save a lot of steel, protect the human limited resources, greatly reduce maintenance, stabilize production, reduce labor intensity of workers, and increase production efficiency, reduce energy consumption. So the ceramic liners can prevent excessive chromium caused by the wear of the liners. When ceramic liners are used in conjunction with a high alloy, high hardness grinding balls, it can extremely effectively reduce the environmental pollution of hexavalent chromium. Okay, the ball mill has entered the era of ceramic liners. We firmly believe that in the ball mill system engineering, the combination of ceramic liners and metal balls will quickly spread to cement, mining, and other industries worldwide. So the ceramic liners will make a brilliant contribution to the 2025 China manufacturing. Okay, so let's make a conclusion. First one, the new concept of crushing and grinding technology can increase the output of the ball mill by more than 20%, save about 20% of electricity, and extend the life of very resistant materials by more than 50%. Secondly, under the new working conditions, the work tasks of the existing ball mills have undergone a fundamental change. It is necessary to fully study the ball mills and use comprehensive technology to improve the effective power of the ball mills. Thirdly, the ball grading theory in ball mills is of no practical significance. Only the ball with a uniform ball diameter has the greatest grinding ability. Okay. Number 4, the single chamber mill composed of a variety of liners with different surface shapes can greatly increase the output of the mill and greatly reduce the power consumption. Number 5, excellent wear-resistant materials are the basis of the new concept of crushing and grinding technology. Number 6, in the ball mill system engineering theory, ceramic liner and metal bore will be the best combination, and it can effectively reduce hexavalent chromium pollution. Okay, so thank you for watching our live show. So if you have any inquiries about ball mill liners, cement mill liners, coal-fired power plant mill liners, mine mill liners, sand mill liners, edge mill liners, please feel free to contact us. Firstly, follow our shop on Alibaba, then send us an inquiry. Send us your drawings, quantity, material grade, and then we'd like to study your drawings and to prepare for the official quotation for you. Okay. So let me check what minutes we will left. 5 minutes left. Okay, so just now we mentioned our new ball mill technology. Okay, actually, so what's the products? What's the products in our new technology? Yes, we will present to you. Okay. So on this photo, this is cement mill liners. We call cement mill liners. This is our boatless mill liners. Boatless ball mill liners, no boat holes. Oh, this is has boat holes, one boat hole. This is the shell liners for cement mills. This is also, we improved some shapes for the mill liners, but not our boatless mill liners. Let me find our boatless mill liner. Okay, this one. Okay, now this one. This is the mill. The cement mill is 2.2 meters, and the length is 6.5 meters long. And we designed the boatless mill liners for our customer. And the material grade is 15% chromium cast iron. Yes, this is no bolt holes. Yes, this is metal liners. But now it's 2021. Our ceramic boltless mill liners has been used in the cement mill in Tianjin City, in cement mill diameter 3.8 meters and 13 meters long for more than 60 months. Okay. Okay, so this one is also our boltless mill liners. It's a high chrome cast iron mill liners. But now in 2021, all our cement mills, cement liners and mine mill liners should be entered into ceramic boltless mill liners and metal bores. Okay, just with our new lining technology. Okay, so today, we shared rich information about our products. Yes. So let's conclude. Firstly, Better presented us the metal bores, including the titanium bores, cast bores, forging bores, and the stainless steel bores. And secondly, Shelley presented us the cobalt dental alloy round bars. Okay. Thirdly, John presented us the different strength, high strength bolts and nuts. Then I shared the information of our new technology of super fine and fine crushing and grinding process technology. Yes, there are much information on my presentation. Okay. So thank you. Thanks for watching. And today is this is the second live show in March. Yes. Second. Yes. Okay.多少个整个？619。我们以后是不是要把1:30开始搞？